Okay, so there we have the Acorn board with the Beagle Bone Green on it. We have our stop switch. What's wrong with that? It's not coming in well. Okay. Then we have some drivers. Power. We come over here. Man, this thing is way out of. Oh, there we go. Alright, so our lasers to the left. There's our stop switch. I'm gonna move a little bit in the X plus position, and the driver should get us there. Let's see. Here's our laser and our mechanics. Alright, so we're working that. So our XY is working right now. Let's try to move back some. Back some on the Y. Alright. So that's the story for now.